Today, we're going to talk about how you can maximize the effectiveness of a process library workshop, including the timing and duration, people to include, and the topics to discuss. Firstly, set aside 2 hours in the morning, preferably. This will ensure that people are fresh and not distracted by the day's activities. You may not use the full 2 hours, but from experience, it's pretty close to it if done right. And secondly, make sure we have the right people in the room. That is, a manager and 2 doers from the area that we're focusing on. For example, you might have the finance manager, the accounts team leader, and one of the accountants join you in that workshop. No need to have the whole team of 20 in the room. Nothing's going to get done that way. And thirdly, make sure there is one facilitator for the workshop. A clear leader is important to keep the workshop on point. And lastly, ensure that you have communicated the topics to be discussed and the purpose of the workshop so the participants can become prepared if necessary. Put these things together and you're well on your way to successfully identifying the processes in your organization.